Green hydrogen is at the centre of a low-carbon future. Polymer electrolyte membrane, or PEM electrolysis, uses electricity to split hydrogen and oxygen from water. When powered by renewable electricity, PEM is currently the most promising option for carbon-free green hydrogen production. The quality of water impacts the efficiency of the process, making purified water an important factor for lower-cost green hydrogen production. Impurities in water can reduce process efficiency, cause damage, and shorten equipment lifespan. PURENERGY30 is specifically designed for PEM electrolysis. PURENERGY30 ensures performance and maximum uptime of hydrogen generation systems. It provides up to 30 litres per hour of purified water. The PURENERGY30 is the ideal solution to feed hydrogen electrolyser systems, producing up to 30 normal meters cubed per hour of hydrogen. PURENERGY30 shares the same unrivaled reliability as our tested and proven clinical product range. Simple setup, monitoring and automated alarms ensure smooth operation and minimal downtime. PURENERGY30 is wall-mountable and saves valuable space with its compact design. Water specification is maintained by the system's advanced purification technologies. The inbuilt EDI technology reduces the use of plastic, minimizing environmental impact. The expertise gained from ELGA's global install base delivers an easily serviceable unit. PURENERGY30's comprehensive feature set and global support packages deliver an unrivaled solution for PEM hydrogen production globally. ELGA are working with key green hydrogen innovators in major economies worldwide, making ELGA your ideal hydrogen partner. ELGA provides mission-critical, ultra-pure water services to the most demanding industrial, clinical and research organizations across the planet. As part of the Veolia Group, the world's largest environmental company and a global specialist provider of water treatment services, ELGA's ultra-pure water knowledge, expertise and support is unmatched. To learn more about optimizing green hydrogen production with PURENERGY30, visit elgalabwater.com/purenergy-30. ELGA Veolia, your global hydrogen partner.